See ya stock. Good afternoon. Good afternoon from the hot Athens, Greece. Hello, dear Jill. Good evening. Hello, καλησπέρα από την Αθήνα. Not so much, Jill. I had to go to the neurologist to check the problem in my legs and my father, and it was so warm during the day. Sia, where are you people? Did you go for holidays? And you are absent? We have only 2 people watching. Where are the Hungarian people? And also they said, Jill, that during the weekend will be warm also. So let's see if more people coming to start tonight live. Oh, I must come to UK. I love this weather. Hello, Juliana. See ya, everybody. See ya, stock. Let's see how many people. Yes, I miss UK. I want to come back. I like UK. It's one of my favorite countries. And the people in UK I like. I miss you. I miss Agnieszka. I miss Tamara. A lot of people from UK. Also, I miss the Hungarian friends. But where are they tonight? So, for not losing time, okay, I'm going to start the live for tonight. So we have some new products from Pentart. These products are about paints, one cleaner, and 2 varnishes. That is about how we can paint leather goods. Okay, leather objects. So with this paint, we can paint all the shoes and make them looks new, or an old bag that maybe it's destroyed. How use all the day. Sometimes the leather objects are damaged. So with this paint we can fix and renovate all these leather goods. We have fabric and leather paints in different colors. We have 2 leather varnishes, one matte, one glossy, and of course the leather cleaner. It's solvent based, and it's a product in which we can clean the leather objects from dirties that there are on the top from the pass of the time. Okay, you understand what I mean. So let's explain also to Greek, for the Greek people. Καλησπέρα σας, απόψε θα παρουσιάσουμε κάποια καινούργια προϊόντα από την Pentart. Αφορούν το πώς μπορούμε να βάψουμε δερμάτινα αντικείμενα. Αυτό σημαίνει ότι μπορούμε να βάψουμε παπούτσια, μπορούμε να βάψουμε τσάντες παλιές, οι οποίες έχουν φθορές από τη χρήση τους, και να τα κάνουμε, μπορούμε να κάνουμε πάνω τους σχέδια και να τα κάνουμε να μοιάζουν σαν καινούρια. Υπάρχουν χρώματα ειδικά για δέρμα σε διαφορετικά χρώματα. Υπάρχουν 2 βερνίκια, ένα ματ και ένα γλώσσι, και υπάρχει και ένα προϊόν που καθαρίζουμε το δερμάτινο αντικείμενο στην αρχή για όποια βρωμιά έχει από το καιρό. So, I will put the camera down. I ask you if you can understand my inspiration for tonight. Sziasztok, Esther. How are you? Esther, if I remember well, you are from Eger, or not? Or from Debrecen? Sia, my good and beloved Hungarian friends. So, I put the camera down to start the live. Hello, Elizabeth. So, my Hungarian friends are coming to see the live tonight. Sziasztok to everybody in Hungary. Sziasztok to all the people in Pentart. To my good friend Sylvia, that helps me so much with everything. Gabor, Kati, George, of course. George is the magician that produce all these amazing products in Pentart. So I have an old book that it's leather, the outside, because on the older time they used to use leather outside of the books. Okay, and first of all I'm gonna take a kitchen towel, or you can use a cotton fabric or cotton cloth, anything it's good for you. And this is the first product. The name is Leather Cleaner. We use this product to clean in the beginning our surface so it can work and the colors stay perfect on the top. It's solvent base. Oh, I like the smell. So, and clean the outside. You see how dirty it is? Clean, very well. Λοιπόν, παιδιά, το πρώτο που έχω να κάνω είναι να χρησιμοποιήσω το προϊόν αυτό που λέγεται Leather Cleaner και να καθαρίσω την επιφάνειά μου από κάθε βρωμιά που μπορεί να έχει εξωτερικά. Εντάξει. So, this product is solvent base, smell a little, but I smell like the solvent varnish that we have in Pentart. It's similar. Okay, and now I have here some colors. I told you, guess what is my inspiration for tonight? Let me check something. I have to watch also something, see the colors and everything. Okay, I will start with the blue color, okay? So I need a brush, a soft brush, a nice brush. See everybody in Hungary. Hello. Dry a little. Okay, so I will start with the blue color. The name of this leather paint is blue, and paint directly to my leather object. You see how easily, directly, I can paint on the top of a leather surface, okay? So, now I will take the white color, always from the fabric and leather paints, and with another brush I continue here from the blue, just a little blending the two colors. And continue to paint my book. A first layer, okay. And what I want a kitchen towel. Clean a little my brush. Last, with another brush, I continue with the red color. So blue, white and red, this is the first layer, okay, of the paint. I had a small accident, but no worries, because I repaint my book. I will dry, so let's dry. Hello Timea, how are you? See ya stock Timea. So I will repeat to repaint my book. I want just to be a little cold. Did you guess what is my inspiration for tonight? What is about? So let's get cold a little. The Olympics, yes, because tomorrow starts the Olympic Games in Paris. It's something that begins from Greece, of course, so I had two inspirations tonight to make for you. This was the first, and I had one more. The second one I'm gonna show you in a ladybug in the next live. But tonight, one day before starts the Olympic Games, my inspiration was the Olympic Games, of course. That happens to the ancient Greece every 4 years. Same like now. The first Olympic Games happens to Athens, and tomorrow starts in the City of Light in Paris. And I repaint the three colors, the blue first. These are the colors of the French flag, okay. Try to paint carefully and be nice with the brush, how I paint. Of course, this is the beginning. I'm not going to paint only the French flag, okay? So, second, the white. So let's go close to the blue, okay, and close to the red. Okay, here happens a small accident. We fix it, okay. And last, the red. Again. It's a little sticky, these colors, that's why happens this accident. And the red. Let's see if I can remove a little this accident. Yes, I can't. Oh, I have to repaint a little. Oh, the blue and the white, but quickly I will try and make it. So the blue, okay, and the white. Okay, so now I will dry up. Okay, so let's take the book in front of me and I will take a jar, put it in the middle here, and I will design a circle . With a pen, a pencil, okay. So I need a circle, okay. And I'm going to paint this circle yellow with the yellow fabric paint. Now I need an angle brush, okay. And because I will try the circle be nicely made, so I need a little light. Okay. Clean a little here, and we need up here to make it round. Okay. This was a book that I had in school about poetry, and now we'll begin the book of the Olympic Games. So let's apply nicely the color, dry. Let it cold. And apply a second layer of yellow. Okay. You can see how easily we can paint with the leather and fabric paints. You can search old bags, old shoes, everything old you have home. Just check and you can transform with the fabric and leather paints. Okay. Now, next, I will take I'm gonna try, okay? No, I'm gonna do something else till this dry. So now it's the moment of the easy painting. So I will use a carbon paper. You can find this in craft shops, okay? It's special carbon paper for mixed media and classic decoupage. Okay, and I designed with my seeing the image from the internet. So this is the mascot of the Olympic Games, the fridges. and I'll make it down of my book. Okay. Oh, why? Doesn't work on the fabric paint. Why? What make mistake? Let's see if it works. So I'm gonna do it again. I'll try, okay. Otherwise, there is a second option. I'm gonna do it directly on the top. Let's see now. No, it doesn't work. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. I don't know why. So I'm gonna put it here, push my pencil more, and I will try to copy the mascot of the Olympic Games in Paris that starts tomorrow. No. Okay. What is the second option? To design by my hand. Let's see. So I have here and go like this, go down, come here, here, okay, and go up, and here, so the one hand is here, here is going like this, and I have one legs that it's for the people with special needs, and the second. Okay, so I think I did it. Maybe need it to be a little colder or dry the color. So let's use a smaller brush. First, all the body of the mascot is red. Okay, so I'm using the red leather fabric paint. So, no problem. We solve the problem immediately. This technique, it's like easy painting, okay? You know this technique. We saw on the past how you can work with easy painting. Okay. My fridge, I think, is okay. And now I need the blue. The fabric paint, I forgot to tell you that are water-based colors. Okay, this must be blue. So we let it dry and we continue, and here it's dry. Now it's a little sticky. Let's dry more. Hello Paulette, we miss you. Where are you? Let's use not so hot. Let's try to do something else. Hello Anna. Slowly people coming. So, let's try something else to see if it works. If it's not, I'm not going to do it. Try to see how I could do that. So, I will take the green. Next, I think, is the black. Oh! We make the class with the mannequin. It goes 2 days because had a lot of work. To do. So takes 2 days, but the result was nice. So let's take the black, the second, the black, let's put it better, okay? And the next color is the red. So take a red color. I use this from the aqua colors. Red. Anyway, and I'll use a pen when they dry. And next is yellow. Ah, it was blue here, doesn't matter. Yellow and blue. So the next color is the yellow. Here. And the last color is the blue. And we make the Olympic circle in this way. Okay. We need just the red be better. So let's see if it works here. Otherwise, I'm going to do it. This is the Olympic flames as the French designed. Here you see, needed maybe was the color, maybe I don't know. Here it works. So we are going to paint the Olympic flame. We need white. Okay. And I need here to make a circle. Paulette, these are the fabric and leather paint. So this was a book with a leather cover. And my inspiration for tonight, because tomorrow starts the Olympic Games, is to make something about Olympic Games. Okay. So this is the sign, the symbol, the Olympic flame of this Olympic, and on the bottom has just a yellow part like this. Oops. Okay. So this is the Olympic flame. Okay, so I need now, let's see what I have here. If they work, of course, because I have to use a lot of gears. Let's see. So this is white. We can just, we can use the cup. And we can make a white circle around every Olympic. Circle. Okay, now it's more visible, the red, okay. And I need just to fix a little carefully, very carefully. Dry my brush, so I need a little white to make it here to fix. Okay, and a little white inside here, the red. So this is an old book, and we transform to a book that we can keep memories about this year Olympic Games that starts tomorrow to Paris. Some years ago, if you remember, the Olympic Games happens to London. If you remember, in the opening ceremony, the Queen Elizabeth that comes from the plane with James Bond. Do you remember? Okay, so let's see. Here. So let's use this to make a little, to make it a little better, okay? Here. So I need the black. This doesn't work, but I have something else. So let's see, this one fits. Yes, this is better. So I'm gonna do the legs. The one is for person, as I told you, with special needs. Okay, it's not a normal leg. The other one is with an all-star and here we can design the flame, okay, to looks better. The colors is not completely dry, that's why we have to wait a little. So this is the flame. And of course here we are going to write Paris, 24. Okay, so let's make also the outside of the fridge, the mascot of the Olympic Games. And here is the one eye, here is the second half. And the eye, so here I'm going to do with the behind of a brush. So I'm gonna do the eye with the blue. Okay, and the same, I'm gonna, I will wait to dry. Ah, I forgot, I must make a shoe here with the red shoe. Okay. And also with the same brush or a thinner one, let's see, this is thinner, I'll take a white color and put just a dot inside the eyes. Okay, and my book is ready. So this was a leather book, and I used the fabric and leather paints. We have a lot of colors, have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 colors. It's fabric and leather paints in which we can paint any leather object we have. Okay, Betty, and in this way you can transform old leather books, old leather bags, old leather shoes, any leather object you have. And of course, as I told you, to the end, you have 2 options. 2 water-based leather varnishes, the matte one and the glossy one. You can seal your work and you can protect your work. So you can use the leather paints to design beautiful flowers, for example, anything you like outside of your old leather object. So these are the new products by Pentart, the fabric and leather paints. We had also the leather cleaner, the product that is solvent based and in which we clean in the beginning from anything that there is on the top of our leather object. First we clean with leather cleaner, and then we paint with the leather paint, dry very well, and finally seal with the glossy or the matte leather varnish. Λοιπόν, παιδιά, αυτά ήταν τα χρώματα για δέρμα. Έχουμε 10 χρώματα. Έχουμε το καθαριστικό που καθαρίζουμε στην αρχή τα αντικείμενά μας, τα δερμάτινα. Και στο τέλος έχουμε 2 βερνίκια που είναι με βάση το νερό, ένα ματ και ένα glossy. So, this is it for tonight. it was an inspiration because tomorrow starts the Olympic Games, and I cover an old book with leather, it was leather outside. So you see how easily I paint it, okay? Have a nice evening, have the best luck for all the athletes, for Paris, to have successful Olympic Games. Pray not to have something terrorist during the games or something bad. It's a period that the war in all over the world stop. So it's 2 weeks full of games, full of peace, full of inspiration, okay? If you are going for holidays, have a nice holidays. And good night. Best of luck, yes, to everyone from each country. Of course, the best luck I have to give to the Greek athletes, okay? And maybe to Hungarian too, from the United Kingdom, from USA. But the Olympic Games, it's something nice. Tomorrow, as I heard, the opening ceremony will happen to Seine River. So will be something spectacular, okay? Maybe you get inspired. Be careful when you see the opening ceremony, and maybe gives you inspiration about create things. Okay, bye-bye, good night to everybody in Pentard, to everybody in Hungary, and to the rest of the world. Bye-bye.